but somewhere else. Finally, I would like to share with you that whether you believe it or not, I have fans among the Senate media. In fact, there are 3 of them to be exact. And they requested me that, it was actually not a request that I did, that as I close my valedictory, I should wave to my 3 fans in the Senate media. Miss Universe style, Pia and Kat. So to all of you, thank you for the memories. Thank you for the education. Thank you for the affection. Thank you for the support, the understanding. To those I have offended and whose expectations I fell short of, I'm truly sorry, but I did it with my best lights. And finally, I thank God and the Filipino people for giving me this privilege and honor of serving with my best lights as we continue to watch over our democracy and serve God, country, family, and the Filipino people. Salamat po.